Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today we're taking the tour of 1012 Louisa Street in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. This is a beautiful and spacious 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, half a double. I'm going to take you through this entire place from very top to very bottom. So sit back and relax, because after I do that, you're going to want to stick around, because I'm going to give you all the details that you need to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. Okay, we are starting outside, so you can take a look at the surrounding neighborhood as well as the front of the house. You can see there are steps up from the street, and you would park right here in the front. And then you have steps up onto the porch. You have this fantastic space here that you can certainly add some chairs, a little table, whatever you'd like to be able to enjoy this gorgeous neighborhood. And we're going to go right into the front door. We have a beautiful main living area, and not just beautiful, it is also spacious. This is a huge living room. It goes right into a formal dining space, or whatever you would like it to be, but there is ample space to be able to set up a really nice living room area. I can definitely see, something over here. You can do you could do a corner couch here, do a little coffee table here, have your entertainment center over here for your TV if you like to do that. There is a lot of ways you can set this up. You have an equally as large space here for your dining. So you could do your table and chair set. You could certainly do additional furniture, a buffet, a hutch. You could do both if you wanted to. You could also transform this into a number of spaces, a little office, a hobby space. I also love that you have doors. You'll see doors upstairs. There's a lot of them, but that also gives you the ability to kind of close things off to be able to control your energy costs. Now, when we come into the kitchen, you have a great little L-shaped bank of counter and cabinet, full-size appliances, and you have this fantastic space over here. You can do a prep station, like a little rolling island or something for additional countertop space. You can do a little breakfast nook. I imagine you could get one of those cool booths with a little table, have that in here. And then if you wanted, you could use this space in a different way if you didn't need 2 dining tables. You also have fantastically big closet for storage. There's a little light up there that you can use. You've got hooks. You could certainly slide a rack back in there for like a pantry area. There's a lot of ways that you can use this space. You have a little mudroom here. Again, really, really great space. It's not heated, but you could put your canned goods and your dry goods out here on little racks and shelves. It'd be a really great use of this space. And I'm just going to peek out the backyard here. This is a shared backyard. You can see the sidewalk goes up the center. You have half the yard, which would be on this side here. Really great amount of space to be able to use. Plus, you've got this little patio area out here as well. Now let's go back inside. We're going to take it downstairs. So coming down to the basement, this is not finished, but guys, this is a really great basement. You can do a little home gym down here. It's very well lit. There are other lights that I don't have on. You can do a home gym down here. You can do a hobby space down here. Just because she's not finished does not mean she's not a great space. And we come over here, we have washer and dryer connections, and then obviously your panel box, your water heater, as well as your heating system. Let's go back upstairs because we have lots more to check out. Let's just go back through the main living space so we can drink in these gorgeous hardwood floors and these expansive, naturally lit rooms. We're going to come up the stairs. I love that these are nice and wide. Really helps when you're getting furniture in and furniture out, moving things around. Again, with the door here, again, controlling that energy cost. You can keep your heat upstairs, keep it a little cooler downstairs. We're going to go into this bathroom. Don't hate on the pink, everybody. You can add your own touches any number of ways to make this pink work for you. You have a beautiful bathtub, got a great tall shower head, and you also have a nice little linen closet here. Now coming around to the first bedroom, this is the smallest of the three. I would say this would be very well suited for a full-size bed. You have a great closet here, so we've got shelves on the ends, hang bar, and then you've got your little hooks back there. Very standard size closet. Now what I love is this bedroom, albeit the smallest. You have this cute little private balcony. It's also not connected to next door. You've got a little view of the backyard, which by the way, the trees give a lot of privacy back here. And you've got plenty of room to add a little chair or something out here if you'd like to use this space. Personally, I'd put a little coffee pot here in my room, and I'd be having my coffee out on that little balcony every morning, cold or not. I'd take a heating blanket out there. So now we're in the middle bedroom. You could certainly do, I would say this would be really well suited for up to a queen size bed. Now when we come through here, you can see this has a very, very similar closet, hooks, shelves on the ends, and then the hang bar. Now we're gonna come right into the master bedroom. This is well suited for a king size bed. Also, I mean, come on. Let's look out this window. Do we love it? You get a gorgeous view of Williamsport and the mountains over there. And then you have your closet here. This is definitely bigger than the other two closets, but set up the same way. Also, you see this little guy right here? If you have ties, you can hang your ties on there. The last space that I am dying to show everybody is the attic. Let's get up here. It's not living space, but it's pretty fantastic. Look at the expansive storage we have up here. It's got this cool cottage vibe. There's no heat up here, so we can't use this as a bedroom, but this offers a ton of storage, especially if you don't want to be doing that down in the basement. I mean, are we serious with this place? It's gorgeous, it's spacious, and the only thing that's missing is you. So what you need to do to call this home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to find all the information about the property. You can book your tour, and you can even submit that application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, the number for the office is 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because I am anxious to help you make this your home.